Well, hello YouTubers. Yep, as you may have seen, the purpose of this video, a how-to guide, I'm going to be chopping out and changing the indicator bulbs in this Mitsubishi Colt. Now the reason being, as they've been advised on the previous MOT, that there's too much white light, which is quite a common thing actually on cars, because if I show you the bulbs, the amber coating on the bulb actually over a while will crack and flake and fall off, but I'll show you that when I take those ones out. But first of all, let's get the tools that I need for the job, which are literally going to be a cross-headed screwdriver. Famous last words, but let's hope that's all I need. Right, screwdriver's ready, my spare bulbs are ready. As you will see, the rear light cluster is held in with a screw there and a screw there. Located in the middle here somewhere is like a push ball joint. So if you imagine there's like a metal ball joint there, and on the back of the light cluster there's a gripping plastic cup. So when you undo these, you've got to kind of pull and twist to actually get the light off. But I'll show you that as I do it, okay? So the first thing is undo the screws. I'll start on this side and then I'll move on to the other side and show you. Right, so here I am with my screwdriver, ready to undo the screws, and then obviously I'll pull the light off and you can all have a laugh and see all the dirt that's behind it. There we go, 2 screws out. That's the little ball socket I was on about, and that's the locator where it sits. I will clean this for them as well. Now the plug has a lever there that you lift, but I may have to get a screwdriver. I'll try my cross-headed screwdriver. There we go. Quite simple. I'll bring the light unit over, because what I would do is also clean the back of this. The separate part here, again, it's held with these retaining clips, which may be a little brittle. They are very hard. Don't think they've been undone for a very long time. Yeah, let's set my camera down and get this off for you, and also move the spider's web. Right, so with the light unit removed, as I explained earlier, you can see that the amber coating on the bulb just falls off. It's quite a common thing, that's because the bulbs are obviously cheap. Another thing, the bulb here also wasn't even connected, so I'm going to get my pliers to give that a bit of a tweak, get it out and get a spare one in there, and also do the same with this one here. Right, I've actually given the panel behind the light cluster a quick clean. Just waiting for it to do its thing, and then I'll activate it a little bit more with a brush and then wipe it down. Obviously make sure you don't get anything over the plug. If you're not too confident, and maybe cover the plug with a plastic bag. Here's what the bulb looks like with some of the actual amber coating missing. As you can see, there's quite a lot of white light. I shall go and switch the indicators off, put the new bulb in, and then show you what the other one's like. Right, well, as you can see from the replacement bulb, it's actually staggered, offset, so yeah, but the amber coating is perfect. Right, so the bulb literally twists and comes out, but as I say, lots of it's coming off. This one goes back in, twists and locked. I've also replaced a couple of the other bulbs that were gone, but let's go and switch it on, and then hopefully you'll be able to see what it's like. Here we go. As you can see, much better, but before I put it in the unit, I'm going to check the other bulbs, make sure they all work, and then put it back in and finish off the job. There we go. Both orange bulbs changed. I ended up actually changing the reverse lights, and both reverse lights actually, and the stop and tail light as well. But yeah, pretty straightforward, but they're amber, so they will go through an MOT. Right, so that wraps up this how-to guide on changing your indicator bulbs on your Mitsubishi Colt CZ2, or any CZ really. I'm about to start filming the next episode of how-to on this little car, but please check out the other videos on my channel. I do a lot of work on my Toyota Carina, as you may have noticed. But yeah, leave a comment, click on the subscribe button, and don't forget to click on that bell for alerts. Thanks for watching, and see you soon.